EDM drilling is a service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of electrical discharge machining, EDM, to create holes in metal parts. This process is used when traditional drilling methods are not feasible or when high precision is required. EDM drilling uses a small electrode that is charged with electricity and positioned close to the metal part. The electrical discharge creates a spark that erodes the metal, creating a hole. This process can be used on a variety of metals, including steel, aluminum, and titanium. EDM drilling is particularly useful in the aerospace and medical industries, where high precision is required. It can be used to create small holes in complex shapes, such as those found in turbine blades or medical implants. EDM drilling can also be used to create holes in hardened materials, such as those used in the automotive industry. This process is often used in conjunction with other manufacturing processes, such as CNC machining, to create complex parts with high precision. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in CNC machining, EDM drilling, and other precision manufacturing services. The company has over 50 years of experience in the industry and has worked with a variety of clients, including those in the aerospace, medical, and automotive industries. Berkness Company's expertise in EDM drilling allows them to create complex parts with high precision, ensuring that their clients receive the highest quality products. If you are interested in learning more about EDM drilling or other precision manufacturing services, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts can answer any questions you may have and provide you with a quote for your project. With their years of experience and commitment to quality, Berkness Company is the ideal partner for your precision manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is EDM drilling and how does it work in manufacturing? EDM drilling is a type of electrical discharge machining that uses a small, electrically charged electrode to erode material from a workpiece. The electrode is typically made of copper or tungsten and is guided by a computer-controlled system. As the electrode approaches the workpiece, a spark is generated between them, which melts and vaporizes the material. This process is repeated until the desired hole or cavity is created. EDM drilling is commonly used in the manufacturing of complex parts, such as aerospace components, medical devices, and injection moldings. 2. What are the advantages of EDM drilling over traditional drilling methods? EDM drilling offers several advantages over traditional drilling methods, including the ability to create precise, complex shapes and features with high accuracy and repeatability. It can also be used to drill through hard materials, such as hardened steel, without causing damage or distortion. Additionally, EDM drilling produces minimal heat and stress on the workpiece, which reduces the risk of warping or cracking. This makes it an ideal choice for manufacturing parts with tight tolerances and intricate geometries. 3. What are some common applications of EDM drilling in manufacturing? EDM drilling is used in a wide range of manufacturing applications, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and electronics industries. It is commonly used to create cooling holes in turbine blades, fuel injection nozzles, and other aerospace components. In the medical industry, EDM drilling is used to create small, precise holes in surgical instruments and implants. It is also used in the electronics industry to create micro holes in circuit boards and other electronic components. Overall, EDM drilling is a versatile and effective manufacturing process that offers many benefits over traditional drilling methods. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.